Welcome to our channel. ERD is an engineer-owned industrial electronic repair company that offers the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. This Sola SLS power supply is a fairly common linear power supply with a standard output of 24 volts DC. It is used in many industrial controls as well as CNC machinery and noise-sensitive circuitry and sensors. This power supply was completely rebuilt and then fully tested before its shipment. At ERD, we offer the industry-leading 3-year warranty because we don't just repair your unit, we refurbish it. Thank you for watching our channel. Please subscribe to ERD TV for more videos.